Hello, everyone. So we are doing our little segment again today. Ask ChatGPT. Let's see what I'm gonna ask ChatGPT. I'm curious about how this AI is going to lend itself into our society. We know that they're deliberately trying to decrease the population, hence COVID. They were very successful at that. So let's see what else they're going to come up with to drastically decrease the population. We know, especially here in the United States, that our food is one of the main things that they're using against us. So we now need to be very intentional about what we eat, when we eat, all of this stuff, knowing that the body does repair itself, intermittent fasting, putting the body in autophagy where the body repairs itself. All right, with that, I'm going to go ahead and give you the question that I did ask ChatGPT. Okay, so my question to ChatGPT is, give me the details when it comes to AI replacing major human professional positions. How will basic universal income replace the unemployed humans and no longer employed humans? That's what I asked ChatGPT. I'm going to have it read to you the answer. All right, let's give it a chance to load. We have to ask AI these things because AI in a second can go online, pull all this information, put it together in a small briefing for us. It's important for us to keep abreast of what's coming, how we're going to be dealing with it, because this is our reality right now, whether we want to believe that or not. Uh-oh. Chat GPT is trying to flop me. Let's try it again. Hello, everyone.
The rise of AI is already transforming industries and threatening many traditional professional roles, particularly those that rely on cognitive or routine decision making skills. Below is a breakdown of major human professional positions being replaced or disrupted by AI, followed by an exploration of how Universal Basic Income, UBI, could step in to support those displaced by this shift. Professions AI is replacing or disrupting. 1. Administrative and clerical job, roles affected, receptionists, data entry clerks, scheduling assistants. Why vulnerable? AI can automate scheduling, form filling, document processing, and email sorting faster and more accurately. 2. Legal assistants and paralegals, roles affected, legal research, document review, contract analysis. Why vulnerable? AI tools like Harvey and Lexis Plus AI can scan massive amounts of legal documents and case law in seconds. Finance and accounting, roles affected, auditors, tax preparers,
Gone.
analysts. Why vulnerable?
Anybody in
Algorithms can
college
track,
doing
process,
accounting?
and predict
Gone.
financial data patterns faster than humans with fewer errors. 4. Healthcare diagnostics, roles affected, radiologists, pathologists, some nursing tasks. AI can interpret medical images, suggest diagnoses, and monitor patient vitals with high accuracy.
Healthcare.
Shadow 5, customer service, roles of call center reps, help desk staff. Why vulnerable? AI chatbots and voice assistants like ChatGPT or Alexa can resolve queries 24/7 at scale. 6. Education and tutoring, roles affected. Tutors, teaching assistants, Basic instructors. Why vulnerable? AI powered platforms deliver personalized lessons and assessments efficiently and globally. 7. Media and content creation. Roles affected: journalists, copywriters, video editors. Why vulnerable? AI can now write articles, generate scripts, and edit videos with minimal human oversight. 8. Software development. Roles affected: junior developers, QA testers. Why vulnerable? AI can now write, test, and debug code, and even build entire web apps with natural language prompts. 9. Transportation. Roles affected: drivers, trucks, taxis, delivery. Why vulnerable? Autonomous vehicles and drones are steadily replacing human drivers in controlled
Yeah.
settings. 10. Architecture
Amazon
and
started
engineering
that
support.
already.
Roles affected: draftsmen, CAD operators. Why vulnerable? AI can generate floor plans, perform structural simulations, and automate modeling tasks. How universal basic income UBI as a solution. UBI is a government policy that provides all citizens with a regular, unconditional sum of money to cover basic living costs. Here's how it connects to the AI job displacement crisis. Mass job losses. As AI replaces millions of roles, many people may become unemployable, not due to laziness, but due to a mismatch between their skills and the new AI driven
I'm
economy.
on live, you know.
Retraining limits. Not everyone can retrain as a data scientist, roboticist, or prompt engineer. Cognitive and physical limits will exist. Mental health and stability. A guaranteed income helps people maintain dignity, mental well being, and housing security. How UBI might work. 1. Monthly payments. Everyone gets a fixed amount, e.g., $1,000, $2,000 a month, regardless of income or employment status. 2. Funded by taxes on AI driven companies and wealth, a robot tax or automation tax, value added taxes, VATE, carbon taxes or dividends from publicly owned resources. 3. No work requirement. Unlike unemployment benefits, UBI doesn't require job loss documentation or job searches.
Just gonna get paid.
4. Incentivizes creativity and care work. People can pursue art, caregiving, community service, or entrepreneurship without fear of financial ruin. Challenges and concerns. Inflation risk. Critics worry that giving people money without increasing production could raise prices. Work disincentive. Some argue people may stop working entirely, though pilot studies suggest most still seek purpose driven or part time work. Political hurdles. There's resistance from both left and right over cost, perceived laziness, or government overreach. The AI revolution is inevitable, but a human centered approach to
It's
its
here.
consequences isn't. Universal basic income offers a bridge between a job centric economy and an AI augmented future. It may not be a silver bullet, but it could provide stability and space for people to adapt, innovate, or simply live with dignity.
There we go. So AI is here and it's here to stay. What is our plan? What are we planning to do? Are we going to leverage AI? Are we going to have AI just come and wipe us out as they're expecting? You see all this bullshit that's happening with Donald Trump? That is intentional. He is purposely put in there to ease us into the new world order. Whether you want to believe it or not, he has no control over what he's doing. He looks like a jackass with all that stuff he's showing. That's intentional. Those are not his doings. Trust, he ain't that smart. You can tell. You can tell. He is put in there to shuffle us into the new world order. That's the intention. And that's what they're doing, breaking down systems. You have to break down systems and rebuild them in the new way that you wish for them to happen. Now, there are different countries all over the world that already started with this universal payment system that's what most people are gonna survive, because a lot of us are gonna be unemployable, because if you're an accountant, if you're a teacher, they have AI teaching our kids So how many teachers are we going to need? Depending on your subject that you teach, all that stuff you're going to have to take that into consideration. All right. So I'm going to have AI read to you the countries that already have this universal payment system and how it's, you know, we're going to eventually go to that. And America, there's places in America that started that universal system already. There's pilot programs where people are already getting paid. So let's see. We're going to go through the list of different countries and the states right here in America where this system is already in a pilot program. Let's see. Let's get this loaded.
Great. Here are notable countries and cities that have tested or are testing
Already
Universal
using
Basic
the
Income,
system.
UBI, many with an eye on automation and AI's impact on the workforce. 1. Finland, 2017 to 2018. Pilot details. 2,000 unemployed Finns received €560 a month, tax-free, with no work requirements. Purpose? To see if UBI would encourage people to find work or reduce stress. Results? Participants reported better well-being and mental health. There was a slight increase in employment. 2. Canada, Ontario, 2017-18. Pilot details. About 4,000 low-income individuals were to receive up to $17,000 CAD year singles.
Not bad.
But the program was cut short after a change in government. Purpose: test if UBI improved health, housing stability, and work incentives. Results: early data showed improvements in physical and mental health, with some participants returning to school or work. United States, various city pilots. Stockton, California, 2020-21. Pilot details. 125 people received $500 a month for 24 months. Results: recipients found full-time jobs at twice the rate of a control group, reported less anxiety, depression, and increased stability.
Nice.
Jackson, Black mothers were given UBI through a program called Magnolia Mothers Trust. It showed improvements in mental health, food security, and housing. Chicago and Los Angeles, 2023. Cities launched guaranteed income pilots offering $500 to $1,000 a month to thousands of low-income families. Goal: combat poverty and test resilience during technological shifts. 4. Spain, national rollout, 2020, ongoing. Response to COVID automation. Spain launched a minimum vital income, targeting 850,000 low-income households. While not pure UBI, it's a major step toward income guarantees at a national level. 5. Kenya, long-term study ongoing, run by Give Directly, a nonprofit. Pilot details: over 20,000 people received basic income for 12 years, the largest and longest experiment of its kind. Goal: study how unconditional income affects entire communities, economically, socially, and psychologically. Findings so far: increased spending on education, health, food, and entrepreneurship. 6. South Korea, province, Gyeonggi-do, home to Seoul suburbs. Program: 24-year-olds get quarterly cash payments, $220, for personal development. Support youth in an era of AI and automation while encouraging local economic activity. 7. Mein Grundeinkommen Project. Details: 122 people given €1,200 a month for 3 years, no strings attached.
This is
Funded
Germany.
by private donors via lottery. Early results: increased life satisfaction, lower stress, and recipients took time to learn new skills or switch careers. 8. India, pilot projects in Madhya Pradesh, 2011 to 2012, run by and UNICEF. Pilot details: thousands in rural villages received small monthly payments. Results: better nutrition, school attendance, health outcomes, and economic resilience. Why this matters for AI. These pilots are not just anti poverty experiments, they're trial runs for a future where AI can do the work of a college educated human in seconds. Traditional job based income becomes unstable. Societies must rethink how to provide dignity, opportunity, and freedom in an age of automation.
Okay. So that's basically what I wanted to share with you guys. Traditional job based income becomes unstable when AI does come in and put a footing in our jobs and workplaces. Why do you think Donald Trump want to bring manufacturing back to the United States and he's sending all the immigrants home? He knows that we don't need all these immigrants anymore. Send our asses home. And then when he brings back manufacturing, AI is going to be doing all the work. We won't need a big old workforce. That's just the reality. Be careful what your children are going to college for. A lot of these college professionals are going to be obsolete very soon. Very soon. Societies must rethink how to provide dignity, opportunity, and freedom in an age of automation. Everything is going to be AI. Just a little bit of something to make you think. I am here to make you think. With that, thank you for joining me. Next time, bye bye.